Say ladies, you got to feel the rush, yeah. Feel the rush, yeah. You lie down on the couch, kissing me from head to toe. You breathing harder like your oxygen ain't cut low. I grab my bare dick and in my skin, we feeling good. I'm licking around your nipples, dick harder than some wood. I started sucking on your belly button with some ice. Take, ooh yeah, baby girl, I know you're feeling nice. Take, feel the rush for loving you and me. We feeling good like we tripping off the ecstasy. Take, feel the rush for loving you and me. We feeling good like we tripping off the ecstasy.
You gotta feel the rush from off one touch. Give me one kiss, got my dick standing up. If you ain't wanna do it all night, you're out of luck. I wanna make love, have sex, and the fucking we can do it all night without the lights. And if it's tight, don't worry, I'll make it right. It's like we floating off the ecstasy, high as a kite. And I don't eat pussy, girl, but tonight I might. I wanna hit you from the front and behind, and we can do it anywhere, whatever on your mind. Just sit back and recline, it's my time to shine. Make it come first, girl, before I get mine. You need to let me know what's your fantasy, and I fulfill every need that you plan to see. It's alright if I ain't your man to be, but I promise, girl, keep it between you and me. You need to
say no more playing tongue, I went to playing with your clit. You scream my name, say Marcus, please give me dick. I don't wanna rush, baby girl, let's move it slow. We in for a play as we walk through the door. Ooh baby, ooh baby, ooh baby, you got me feeling good. Say feel the rush coming from